Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So the other day I did a video of eating tiramisu. My husband made tiramisu, and so I kind of promised to make tiramisu. I said, if you are interested, I will show you how to make tiramisu. And then as I was preparing it, I found my old video, and also I am just not in the mood of making tiramisu, and I have changed my interest. So this is drained yogurt, so I do not want to put in egg. I want to make no extra cream. It's drained yogurt with my lemon curd. So this is a blackberry lemon curd, and this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I open it up. So this is a lemon curd. This is a blackberry lemon curd. So I want to make a 2-color mixtured lemon curd. So one is this, and it's been dried up through draining. So I will mix this one with blackberry lemon curd, and mix this one with lemon curd. Let's see how it goes. So we all know making dessert has a lot of sugar. This is not so significant color. See, this is good. And this one will be blackberry lemon curd. Let's see if the color is strong enough. Okay. If not, we will add a little bit more, and I will taste it. This is a little bit drier than the other one. Usually take a couple of days, no, couple of hours. For it to become smooth. Now let me taste it. It's not too sweet, actually. your choice. You can put a little bit more of lemon curd. We do put, this is a new spoon, clean spoon. We will make a little bit more lemon curd. So that's it. Now we will taste it. Clean spoon. Not too sweet. Not too sweet. Clean it up. I try this one. Quite interesting. So that's what I am going to do. Clean it up. Do not have a lot of spoons. So this is the best, actually. So instead of making a tiramisu, I am making this. Then clean it up. Leave it overnight or not. So this is it. The white does not show up very much. So this is what I am going to do, and cover it up, put in the refrigerator. And that is it. Oh, this is almost a little bit. And you can find this container, this little glass jar with lid on my Etsy shop. So I feel this is pretty. And I put a little bit too much. So total of this is 3 pot. Should be 3 pot of yogurt. And this is 2 pots of yogurt. This is 2 pots of yogurt. And we have around 1 pot of yogurt remaining. So now I show you how to drain them, and if you like, you can put some cakes on top of it. For example, you can scramble them. You can break up, scramble the Madeleine and put on top. If you are keto, or if you do not want to eat any starch thing, just do not put. So this is what I'm putting too much. Anyway, this is how I do it. I think it's quite, it's very delicious. Okay, now this is all mine. I will enjoy it. Half spoon this, half spoon this. It's very interesting, very good. I put a lot of lemon in my lemon curd, and it's very condensed. Even when I put a lot of sugar, still they are sour. And you want to have this sourness in your lemon curd, right? If it becomes sweet like sugar, there's no point you eat lemon curd. You can eat other things. And this is a blackberry lemon curd.